Good morning. So today is Saturday, and Angel and I are headed out for a little adventure. We're actually going to get on the bus here where we live in Santa Lucia, and we're going to take it to Guatemala City. And as most of you know, because we posted on Facebook, if you follow us on Facebook, that we're planning a trip to the United States in about 7 weeks. And so we're heading to Walmart to see what kind of travel things we can get for Angel or what they even sell here. I have a pair of earphones for his games and stuff on the airplane coming down from Amazon, as well as a new car seat being shipped to my mom and dad's so they can just have it in the car when they pick us up at the airport, as well as a activity center that we bought on Amazon that will also be shipped to my mom and dad's. So he'll have something to do on the 2.5-hour car ride back to mom and dad's. So today we are heading out to do a little adventure all by ourselves, huh? And yes, he got a haircut and they cut all his curls off. Turn around. Turn around, show them. Oh, no more curls. But vamos? Vamos means let's go. So we thought it would be a great day to vlog and take you with us. So we hope you enjoy this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Guatemala. You ready? You ready? Done? Okay, we'll see you there. Like 5 minutes so far. But as you can see, we're stuck in traffic as well, so could be a long ride. I still got your rocks in my hand. You gonna wake up? Are you ready for our adventure? This is gonna be a fun day. Too bad of a drive or ride, huh? Angel got to sleep the whole time. Is that fun? Yeah? You ready to get down? Get some shoes on and go shopping? Okay, we'll see you inside Walmart. ¿Quieres un book for the airplane? Which one? We need something to do on the airplane, huh? Which one? So many people, huh? Which one you want? You want that one for the airplane? You got two. Let's see what they are. Oh, it's color books. You want color books? I think we're gonna get color books. Do you want the color book? Yeah, that will keep us entertained, huh? I think that's a writing book. Let's see. Yeah, that's a writing book. You're a little too little for that. A little too little. What else they got? A little too little. Picking the books, huh? You're just picking them out. The drink that you put in your waters to flavor them, and I want those for the plane ride so we don't have to drink this regular water because we have to buy water at the airport. They don't exist here, so oh well, at least we got a book for the airplane. We have enlisted the help of an employee here to try to find our juice mix or our flavor water changer. So yeah, we'll let you know our progress. Well, we are back on the bus and we're heading back home. We hope you enjoyed our video today. We had fun playing, huh? Did you have fun playing? Yeah? It was a no-go on the juice, by the way, huh? Yep, they looked, they searched, they said, we don't have that here in Guatemala. But we got all the pricing that we wanted to get done and we got a book for the airplane. So we're excited and we're heading home. We hope you liked our video. It was short, but we had a good time. The video was short. The trip was long. So we're heading home and it's about, we left this morning at 11 and it's close to 4 o'clock now. So we're heading home, but it was about an hour and a half, maybe 2-hour bus ride up because the traffic was really bad. But I think it'll be either the same or a little less on the way home. So anyway, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye. Bye. Say bye.
No.